guys, it's Cheddar Chip Army here, and it's Chip here, and we're back on Minecraft. Woo! So today we are going to be playing on a server, also known as, we're probably doing Mineplex, I think. So let's go to it. So we'll go play. Let's go play and have some fun, guys. I'll be back when we're loaded in. Okay guys, so we're back and we're in the awesome server of Mineplex. We are going to be playing Master Builders. So let's get in. Okay guys, so we're in, so let's just type in some stuff. Say hi, I'm alright guys. Build winter. Alright guys, so we're gonna have to do something winter. Let's go with snow, packed ice, and ice. What else is winter, guys? I don't know. I guess this is good enough, so let's just get a pumpkin now. Yes, a pumpkin. There. Alright, so let's get building our awesome thing. Okay, actually, guys, I know what we're going to build. So I'm going to build a snowman, so I'll be back once I've built it. Okay, guys, how's it look so far? Comment down below what you think it is. Alright, guys, alright, now that you've commented down below if you did, it is a snowman. Woo! We're building a snowman. Oops. So we are building a snowman because the theme is winter. And we all know that in winter, what do? We build snowmans. Right, Army? Army's over here playing on the server.
I'm playing, what is it? Cake Wars or Bed Wars?
Yeah, he's playing Cake Wars or Bed Wars.
My teammate covered it.
I'm pretty sure.
Over yellows. I'm done.
Oops, guys, I accidentally did this.
Now that's green teams.
Guys, I have to get rid of this. I just did it wrong. So I'll be back when I finish the build. Okay, guys, back, and so I finished, but everyone's voting on it, so I'm gonna give myself an awesome.
I am.
Oh, guys, everyone says that it's bad. Failure. There's nothing here, guys. Sorry, guys, but there was nothing here.
I was stuck.
So we're voting.
64.
There's nothing here.
Still building up.
What's this? No way, guys. This is good.
Yeah.
This is what I call winter.
61, 64, baby.
This is okay too.
Good.
This one's okay.
My villagers are probably
just gonna vote fair.
What's he doing with my emeralds, right? Because I've got emeralds.
No, this one's not really winter, guys. This is way too tall for a snowman.
No, that can't be yellow. That can't be yellow. That's still green. Let's take over orange face.
See, nah. Okay, guys.
Raise your hand if you want me to take over orange face.
Okay, guys, so we're voting. So I'll be back. Guys, we got second place! Woo! Alright, I'm gonna play another match, so I'll be... Okay, guys, so I finished this build, so here's the theme was chicken, so here is my chicken. So I'll be back after the voting. Okay, guys, I got first place, so thank you for watching this video. See you guys next time. Bye!